So, paano ba mag-apply sa My Mountain Mover? So, document na binigay ko is i-click mo lang tong link na to. So, if may background ka sa pagiging Med-VA or BPO healthcare experience, click mo yung medical receptionist, or if dental naman yung na-handle mong line of business, click mo yung dental receptionist. So, mag-proceed tayo sa medical receptionist. So, bibilisan ko lang. Candidate details and source. So, yung mga asterisk, yan yung needed mong sagutan. Yan yung magka-count sa questions. 43 questions na nandito. So, hindi mapoproceed tong application if naka 42 over 43 siya. So, go for first name, last name, middle name, gender. Choose VA experience level if kagaya kita na galing sa BPO lang. So, lagay mo dyan shifter. If may less than 1 year experience, go for this. If more than 1 year, season VA, lagay mo. Email, primary. So, make sure na tama yung mga information kasi dyan magsisend ng updates sa MMM if nakapasa ka sa screening or what. Needed ba sagutan yung specialization? Hindi. So, sasagutan mo lang siya if may certain certificate ka or degree sa mga 'to. So, most likely if, doctor ka or what. And yeah, if may experience ka naman sa direct sales or what, lagay mo rin diyan. Currently residing, importante is currently residing ka sa Philippines, Filipino citizen ka, then yung address mo. How did you hear about us? Of course, MMMPay referral ilagay mo para masama kita sa list ng mga nagpasa ng screening at makahingi tayo ng update. So, here's my name. So, kaka-copy and paste mo lang yan dito sa referred by. What nation healthcare experience? So, ilagay mo dyan yung mga responsibility mo before kay MMM, kay sa BPO or sa previous company mo. So, scheduling, may mga BPO companies na nag-schedule ng appointments kay patient. So, scribing is yung ikaw yung mag-take notes and document ng conversation ni patient at ni doctor. So, billing if certified ka or if may, let's say, experience ka lang sa pag-process ng medical claims or prior authorization, you can go billing. But nilagay ko dito is checking medical benefits and eligibility and claims and prior authorization. So, yun ang nilagay ko. Healthcare tools. So, itong Athena, ECW, Epic, yun yung mga tools na ginagamit kapag nasa provider side ka or nasa doctor's office ka. So, most likely, if VA ka na before, yun yung mga ginagamit mong tools. But, for the persons like me na BPO lang yung puhunan. So, CRM tools ang nilagay ko dyan such as Salesforce, Oracle, Evicore. So, yung ginagamit namin to check prior authorization. And pwede nyo ding ilagay dyan yung mga tools na ginamit nyo or nalaman nyo during your training. If nag-avail kayo ng online training resources. So, lagay nyo dyan. Ganyan. Or ability. Next, please upload your resume here. So, may tip dito. Basahin nyo na lang si MMM. May tip din ako dyan sa aking document. So, kailangan ng nakagantong format. Date ng employment, pangalan ng company, location, position mo. And please limit the responsibilities such as checking medical claims or benefits into one sentence lang, hindi naka-paragraph. Please upload 1-minute video if gumagana sa inyong Loom website. Please follow these steps. And if hindi siya gumagana katulad sa akin, click this link at magbibigay sila ng alternative sites. Katulad ko, gumagamit ako ngayon ng ClickUp para sa screen recording. Okay? And lahat ng to ay mag-generate ng shareable link. Yan yung ipoprovide nyo dito. Compose your cover letter. If hindi nyo alam, make Google your friend. So, if hindi mo talaga alam, may ChatGPT dito. So, lagay ko lang dyan, create cover letter for me in this my experience. Lagay nyo experience nyo dito. And within 5 seconds, ipoprovide na sa'yo ni ChatGPT yung format. So, babaguhin mo lang siya. Lahat ng in close parenthesis dyan is babaguhin mo. And make sure na tama tama yung responsibilities. Baka naman si ChatGPT lang yung naglagay pero wala kang responsibility dun or wala kang experience dun. So, kailangan lahat is based on your experience. So, gagamitin mo lang si ChatGPT to fix your grammar lapses or if hindi mo alam kung paano sasabihin yung certain format like cover letter. Skill test, so go to this site, typing cat. So, katulad siya ng typing test. But, yeah, mas ano siya, mas highlight siya. Yan. So, may parang colorful siya. And, yun. Ano pa ba? Skill test, if naka-50 ka diyan, ano ba yung minimum? So, kailangan 50. So, kailangan do your best with this. Since if mag-fail ka dito sa application, 6 months ka pa bago mag-apply. So, present style result. So, go to this naman para i-assess na MMM yung behavior mo. So, take assessment, fill out this, and may lalabas ng questions dyan. Upload this, maraming nagkakamali. Kailangan i-upload nyo yung PDF file, hindi yung screenshot, PDF siya. So, paano ba malaman this style? Meron akong, dito yung aking this result. So, nasa page 2 siya. Page 2. My this style is fact finder. So, lalagay ko lang dyan, fact finder. Tapos ito, if may language kang ibang alam, aside from English and Filipino, so lalagay mo lang siya dyan, rate them. And if may certificates ka about that, upload it. Note na hindi sila needed. System compliance na tayo, what type of main computer. So if hindi mo alam ano yung qualification, click this link. Main PC, it should have at least i3 with 8 gig of RAM and then a gig of available storage. Hindi pasado yung 4 gig kasi nga 8 gig siya. So operating software, kailangan naka Windows 10 or 11 at naka Mac OS El Capitan siya at least. Headset, kailangan noise cancelling. If hindi, mag-install ka ng Crisp webcam. Para lang siya sa mga may PC. And since kapag may laptop ka, may automatic webcam na yan. May internet connection, kailangan siya. So, kailangan naka at least 25 Mbps, download at 10 Mbps, upload at gagawin mo yan through speed test. Alam kong alam mo yan. Baka PC, hindi siya needed pero kailangan siyang i-meet mo ng 30 days kay MMM. Backup internet naman, kailangan siya. So, you should have at least 10 Mbps upload at the 5 Mbps download. Backup power source, hindi siya kailangan. Same siya nito na kailangan i-follow up within 30 days. So, my tips for that is if yung main internet mo is PLDT, kailangan yung backup mo is hindi smart. Kasi pag nawalan ng internet si PLDT, so more likely mawawalan din si smart. Kailangan if ang backup mo dun is Globe or Converge. So, hindi dapat sila magsama. Ayan, fill out mo lang yan. If hindi mo alam kung paano gagawin, please click this one. See instruction. Katulad dito, paano mo ma-determine if yung computer processor mo is low budget, budget friendly or what. Click this link. So please utilize every information that MMM providing. So yan. So sa akin, i5 ako, so budget friendly, yes. Pass siya. Computer RAM should have at least great or equal 8 gig. Speed test yung sinabi ko kanina. Yan. So like that lang. And backup ISP speed test result. Backup internet is required. Please read this. Kailangan mayroong prepaid modems and packet Wi-Fi. Mobile data is hindi siya recommended because of unreliability. Yan. So, in case of power outages, so dito nagkakamali yung iba or dito nagkakaroon ng confusion. Pagtapos na nilang lahat ng question, bakit daw 42/43 lang? May isang question na hindi nasasagot. Dito yon. So, dito sa power contingency section. So, if wala kang laptop, click this one and then click this. Then may follow-up question dyan like, Ano daw gagawin mo if nagkaroon ng power outage? So, pwede mong sagutin na may nearby hotels or cafe nearby you within 1 kilometer at pwede mo puntahan yun. So, if you're using a desktop, paano mo daw ito-transfer yun? So, yun. Pwede mo sagutin lahat, elaborate mo, convince mo sila. And then, spare backup laptop. If meron kang extra backup laptop katulad ko, yan, magka-count na rin yan. Basta wag niyong kalimutan i-select 'to. And then commitment check, no, 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 yes. Please elaborate daw bakit daw nag-yes ka. Bakit gusto mo mag-work during holidays or weekends? Sinagot ka diyan na, based on my previous experience sa BPO, may mga pasok talagang holidays or weekend. So, sanay ka na dun. You're used to it. Reference check naman. So, it should be your colleague, SMEs, coaches, or supervisor na mas mataas yung position sa'yo. And individuals who have supervisor work. So, yung worry ng iba, paano daw pag hindi masagot ng tawag ng character reference nila kapag tumawag si MMM, no worries kasi si MMM nagpo-provide lang ng email, email and then meron dong link para siyang so i-evaluate ka din i-evaluate ka ni MMM based dun sa sagot ni character reference, hindi through call, but through um, Google lang siya, Google form. So, sasagot lang siya parang ganito. So, paano ka sa work, ganun. So, identity verification, mas mapapaspeed yung application if may NBA clearance ka, but you can apply kahit wala. So, yan, primary or secondary valid ID. So, kailangan mo complete niya siya. If 43/43 na, save and continue application. Tapos, send nyo sa'kin screenshot, your name. So, para ma-include ko kayo sa list and para ma-follow up natin if hindi pa kayo na i-email or what. So, yun. Thank you for listening.